Hi there! In this video, I'm going to introduce you to worksheets. Worksheets in Simplero are very much like physical worksheets that you would distribute in a meeting or in a coaching session or after an event. You will find them under content and you can just go to worksheets here. They are very easy to create and then very easy to check the results for. So I've created this example one. So the way you would start creating is by going here on the right side and clicking on create new worksheet. I've created an example one just to show you what it can look like. So here is a pre-coaching worksheet. So for example, there's questions like what do you expect to gain from other coaching sessions? What are the three core values? So there are many, as you can see. There are different types of answers that you can choose when you create them. So as an example, I'm going to now add a section. You can choose a title, which is the big one that shows up here. So for example, what do you want from our next session? You can add a body, which is this little text here where you can specify, or you might not want to say anything. So in this case, I'm not going to write anything. And then here, down here, you can choose the type of questions. So you can choose no question if you just want to say, add a section without them having to answer, single line text, multi-line. Then you can choose a list, which is similar to what is in here. So where they can list different things, like for example, what are your three core values in this case? You can choose radio buttons, which will show them many options to choose from. Checks boxes with same thing, they can choose more than one option, or you can choose file upload, where it will ask your customer to upload a file of whatever you want them to do. So in this case, let's choose, for example, multi-line, and then we're gonna save it. So we have you would keep adding different sections, which are your different questions, and then after that you can copy the link to the worksheet or you can open it. That's how it looks for them. So you can, here they have the different questions. Right now I already filled it before, so it's showing my previous responses. So if a person fills it, it gives them the option to either overwrite the answers, or you can click here and they can start with a clean worksheet. This offers them the option, for example, if you have many coaching sessions where you need to keep filling this worksheet, you can save their progress over time. So that's a good option if you want to do that, for example. Then if we go back to the worksheet here, there's the content one and there's the responses tab. So if you go here, you can see all the responses you got from that worksheet and the stats. So here you've got an overview. At the minute, there's only one, so you can only see that one, how many answers they gave, created, updated. And then here you can also see all the answers. So you can see it by question, and then all the answers below. If you had more than one respondent, you would see all the answers, and you could export that if you wanted to, like download it as an Excel if you prefer, sort it, reorder, anything you might want to do. If you want if you want someone to fill up your worksheet, you can copy this here and share it with them, copy this link. And then you can, here, if you click the three dots, you can duplicate the worksheet or delete it. Let's just check. I'm just going to show you which settings each worksheet can have. So apart from the title of the worksheet, the internal name, the description that you can add, you can choose after submission. So after a person submits that worksheet, if you want to show a confirmation page, and you can choose the title and the body of that, or you can redirect them to a URL, for example, your website or anything you might want to direct to. You can notify via email when someone submits a response, so that might be useful if you want to reply to them or you want to know when someone's submitted. And then you've got other more advanced settings, such as like add metadata, or don't send login information when they submit a response and we create a login for them. So you can create worksheets that you share with people that are not in your system, that are not in your a contact on your Simplero account yet. And if you don't take that option, when they submit the worksheet and they submit their email, Simplero will automatically create a contact on your system for them. If you take this, if you don't take the option, they will receive a login email with their information. So if you don't want them to receive that email, you just turn this option on. Then, like most of the things in Simplero, you can create triggers. So, for example, you could say when someone submits a worksheet, send them an email or give them access to something. So maybe that worksheet is the end of one of your models or anything like that. So, and you want to give them access to the next model, you could do it like that, or you could add a tag to everyone that's completed that worksheet. And there's like everywhere in Simplero, there's a lot of options here, and you can add conditions. And that's mostly it for worksheets.